New opening animation. We can insert the cassette.
I've been drinking water for some time, picking up the parts of
Drop it right here.
all my life. Didn't get to solve it.
It's displaying a cheat.
How am I to break apart? Don't tell me why I can't collide.
Let's move further.
Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide.
We will use some basic cheats.
Don't you feel it?
These will help us.
On the break of dawn, I'll follow you.
Let's get to our location.
Carry on.
We have to complete mission and unlock the new car. There are many new things in this update. I'll show you. It's a new radio. This was not in the game previously. Let's get to the main quests. You have to go to them. Developers building its new. Here's the new car. And that's the new glitch with it. It's dancing all the way on its own. Let's have a talk with the devs.
Don't justify the love we lost, the love we hide. Don't you feel it?
Hey dude, what are you doing?
Feel it? On the break of dawn,
He's working on an update. So these are our devs.
you to carry on.
Let's see what they have to say. All right, let's find the pieces. I'll show you all the 6 locations, and we will unlock this supercar. We are at our first location. This is where we sell the cars. The cake is inside waiting for us. Here's our first piece. Let's quickly find the other pieces too. Our second location is garage. It's right next to the bowling ground. We are at our location. Let's get inside and collect our piece. Two pieces done, let's move further. Look, it's a toy car. Our third location is Lemonade Stall.
Baby, it's whatever. All this ever but you long gone, it don't matter.
Here it is, our third piece.
That's been the deal.
Our next location is the Dancing Deer.
But if it don't fit it for me, I'm not
The piece is right behind him. 4 pieces done, only 2 left. Let's get to our 5th location.
to tell me you know.
It's in the donut shop.
I'm brushing away, do you the way
Lol, while he's standing there.
of my shoulder. Done with my cigarette.
Only the last piece is left.
Focus clear.
Let's meet Chad. He has the last piece. We are at the construction site, and Chad is having the last piece. Let's collect it and have a party. Let's change the weather. Thanks for the free cash chat. The last piece is ours now. Hey Chad, join our party. There will be the dabs and a cake. Let's move further. Let's see the developer's reaction. They're happy and dancing. Now we can drive that car. And yes, we can't hit the dabs. The car's name is PXL Racer. The look of this car is astonishing, especially the back lights. Night view of this car will be heaven. Look at this beautiful beast. These lights are amazing. Overall looks of this car is goated. The nitro animation is peak. Look at it, that's really something. This is the best car in the game now. It catches speed within seconds. Braking sense is matching to the speed. But it's not good for drifting. It sucks at the turns. Ah, the windows are broken. Still, this car looks very astonishing. This one could beat the Sheep Borghini. Let's repair the damages.
I've been drinking water for some time,
See how quickly it stops.
picking up the parts of all my life. Didn't get
That's the glitch now. I just repaired it and now I have 2 of the same cars. Let's see if it's fake or not. I can drive this one.
Can't collide, nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Don't you see?
I can drive this one too. Lol, now I have 2 of the same cars.
Follow you to care.
The other car is break dancing.
Break of dawn.
Let's check out the next update. First, let's set the weather today. A new trash can with cover. It's the old one and can't open the lid. In the new one, we can open the lid. See, there is trash inside too. These were some minor and major updates in Dude Theft Wars 2025. Stay tuned for more updates. Till then, take care and